Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to get Grammarly up and running for Google Doc. Let's make sure your writing is flawless with just a few steps. Ready? Let's dive in. Go to Microsoft Store and click on Install button on Grammarly. The installation process will begin, and in no time, Grammarly will be installed on your device. Next, you will need to sign up for Grammarly. You can use your Google ID, Facebook, or any other email to create an account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the app section. There you will see an option that says Add to Chrome. You can either click on it directly to install the extension, or you can head over to the Chrome Web Store to find it. Now let's open our Google Doc. And there we will click on Enable Extension. Now let's add our Grammarly to Chrome. Click the Add to Chrome button. And now our extension is downloaded. Once the extension is installed, open a Google Doc. You will see a prompt to enable Grammarly. Now on the right hand side of your screen, you can see Grammarly successfully being added to our Google Doc. Now as you type, Grammarly will help you catch any errors and improve your writing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy writing everyone!